welcome back to Daily Demos. Today is Te Reo Māori and I've got Cheeky B here to practice with me. So before we start, let's do our karakia timatanga, our opening karakia. Mahunga ki raro.
Kia inoi tātou. Manawa mai te Māori nuku, manawa mai te Māori rangi. Ko te Māori kaiau, he Māori tipua. Ka pākaru mai te pō, tau mai te Māori, haumi e, hui e, tā iki e.
Ka pai. Alright, today we are doing directions. Directions are things that you can say that tell someone or something to do something. So for example, I could say, go, and that means that you need to go. That's a direction. So we're going to learn some different directions in Te Reo Māori, and then we're going to do a bit of a game, and we're going to make a treasure map. Okay, so Cheeky B, do you think you could help me with the start of our directions lesson? Ka pai. Alright, our first direction today is haere. Up your stand, B. Can you show us what haere looks like? Haere, B. Can you guess what haere means? That's right, haere means go. Okay, so if haere means go, what do you think haere tonu means? Haere tonu, B? Haere tonu? What do you think it means? It means keep going. Haere tonu. Haere tonu. What? Oh no, Cheeky B, come back up here. I'm sorry. I think we need to learn the word for go carefully so that you don't fall off something. So let's start again. Alright, haere tonu, keep going. Ata haere, go carefully. Ka pai, do you see how he's creeping along? Going carefully. Ata haere, ata haere. Kati. What do you think kati means? That's right, kati means stop, and be stopped perfectly. Ka pai. We have some more directions, and you should know these off by heart because you hear them in the classroom all the time. So B, let's see if you know them. E noho, B. E noho means, that's right, e noho means sit. How about e tu? Excellent. E tu means stand. All right, e noho. Ka pai. All right, now we're going to learn the words for to the right. Okay, now which side is your right? My right is different, but I'm going to use your right. So your right is this way. So if I want to say to the right, I would say ki te taha mātou. Ki te taha mātou. Let's slow that down. Ki te taha mātou. Ki te taha mātou. Ka pai. All right, ki te taha mātou, B. Excellent. You turn to the right. How about turning to the left? Well, we still use ki te taha, but we don't use mātou because mātou means right. I wonder what left is. Left is maui. Okay, so instead of saying ki te taha mātou, we say ki te taha maui. Like that. Okay, let's give some instructions again. Ki te taha mātou. Ki te taha maui. So, we know that haere means, that's right, haere means go. It means start going. How about haere tonu? Haere tonu means keep going. Keep going. Haere tonu. What was ata haere? That's right, it was go carefully. It's kind of like the orange light in the traffic lights. Go carefully, get ready to stop. Ata haere, go carefully. What about kati? That's right, kati means stop. That's the red light at the traffic lights. And how about e tu? That's stand up. E noho, sit down. If I said ki te taha mātou, it means to the right. If I said ki te taha maui, it means to the left. Okay, Now we're going to have a bit of a game at home. I'd like you to make sure that you have some space around you because we are going to be walking all around the room trying to follow my directions. You ready? Ka pai, let's go. Okay, everybody, find a spot in the room. I'm going to give you a direction and I'd like you to follow it, okay? And you just keep following it. So if I said haere, and you have a table in front of you, just keep pretending that you're going like this. If I said haere, just keep pretending that you're going like you're a person in a computer game and you're stuck in front of something, okay? So, ready? Let's go. All right, everybody, haere. Haere tonu, keep going. Haere tonu. Kati. Kati means stop. E noho. E tu. Ki te taha mātou. Now, is ki te taha mātou to the right or to the left? That's right, it's to the right. Ki te taha mātou. We turn to the right. Haere. Kati. E noho. E tu. Ki te taha maui. Which direction is ki te taha maui? That's right, it's turned to the left. Ki te taha maui. Turn to the left again. Haere. Haere tonu. Keep going. Ata haere. Go carefully. Kati. Ki te taha maui. To the left again. Haere. Go. Ata haere. That means go carefully. Ata haere. Kati. Ki te taha mātou. Turn to your right. Ki te taha mātou. Haere. Haere tonu. Keep going. Ata haere. Kati. And e noho. Ka pai. Ka pai, you've done really well. Now, usually in our te reo Māori lessons, we have Ruru with us. Ruru is a mōpok, an owl, and she would really like to join us today. So what I'd like you to do is, with me, give Ruru some directions. So, repeat after me. Let's give Ruru some directions. Kōrero mai, repeat after me. Are you ready? Haere. Remember to repeat after me. Haere. Okay. Haere tonu. Remember to repeat after me. That means keep going. Kati. She stopped. What now? Ki te taha mātou. Your turn. She turns to the right. Haere. Ata haere. Remember to repeat after me. That means go carefully. Ata haere. Kati. E noho. That means sit down. E tu. E noho. E tu. Ki te taha maui. She's turning to the left. Haere. Ata haere. Go carefully. Ata haere. Kati. Ki te taha maui. Turn to the left. Ooh. Okay. Now let's do haere. Haere. Haere tonu. Keep going. Kati. Okay. E noho. All right. Didn't she do well? I really like the directions that you gave her. Ka pai. Now we're going to do something really special. We are going to be making our own treasure map, and we're going to be giving some directions to a buddy or to yourself if you're by yourself to try and navigate the treasure map and find the treasure. Okay, are you ready, Ruru? Ruru's lost her squeak, unfortunately. She can only whisper. Can you hear her? Okay, let's get started. Now, if you like, you can print out the grid that I put up on the Daily Demos website. But if you don't have a printer, then what you can do is you can draw your own grid. A grid is lots of lines that cross. Now, the reason we want a grid is so that when we draw our treasure map, at the very end, when we give directions, we have some squares that we can use to follow along. Okay, so let's make our grid. Ka pai, there's our grid. So now that I've got my grid, I'm going to draw my very own treasure map. Now I'm going to make sure that my treasure map is quite tricky, so that when I give my directions to my little toy, my toy will have to go to the right, will have to go to the left, will have to stop, will have to go. All right, so let's get started with our treasure map. I'm going to have a big island up here, and I'm going to have a little island down here. Okay, and we're going to start just here. I'm going to write start. Now, the word for the start in Te Reo Māori is te timatanga. Te timatanga. That's right, that's the start. But the word just for start is timatanga. Ka pai. So I'm going to write timatanga here. Now I need to decide where my X marks a spot. I need to decide where the end is. The word for the end in Te Reo Māori is te mutunga. Te mutunga. Ka pai. So I'm going to write mutunga where my X marks the spot. I think my X marks the spot is going to be all the way over here. So I'm going to write mutunga. Excellent. Now I need to put in some obstacles. Well, I think I'm going to have some sharks that I need to get away from. There are going to be some sharks here in the water. Okay. So my character's going to need to go around this way. All right, what am I going to have here on this island? Well, I'll have some trees. Maybe some palm trees. Okay, I might have some tents. Maybe where some people have put up camp. Okay, now what else do I need to have? Well, I'm going to have a giant squid that we need to avoid. Okay, my giant squid is going to be just over here. Okay, there's my big giant squid. So my character's going to have to go here and up and to the side and up. It's going to have to go around the sharks. What else is something it'll have to keep away from? Oh, I know, quicksand. We'll have some quicksand here. We don't want anyone to fall into the quicksand. Excellent. What scary thing could I have in the water up here that we need to stay away from? Maybe a giant crab, just like in Moana. Okay, there's my giant crab. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Is there anything else I should add? Do you think maybe I should have a sunken pirate ship? Excellent. All right, it's looking good. Now I might make my islands green. This island's going to be yellow. And make sure I have some blue waves in the ocean. Maybe just as one last thing, I might have a tsunami. Heading straight for the beach. So, I think I'm ready to do my treasure map directions. Okay, come with me and let's give my little toy directions to try and get through the treasure map all the way to find the treasure. All right, let's go. Okay, here's my little character that's going to be going through the maze. Okay, it's actually a little knuckle bone called a crazy bone. And it's going to start just down here. Okay, and it's facing this way. All right. So, what I'm going to do first is, what direction could I give her? Have a think to yourself. Ka pai, I'm going to say haere because I want her to go this way. I want her to go. Haere. Okay. Now let's say haere tonu. That means keep going. Keep saying haere tonu. Now what should I say if I want her to go carefully here? That's right. Ata haere. Ata haere because you're about to stop. Ata haere. How could I say stop? Kati. That's right. And so she stops there. Now I want her to turn. Now her right is this way. Her left is this way because this is the direction that she's facing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Do I want her to ki te taha mātou or ki te taha Māori? To go to the right or to the left? That's right, I want her to go to the left. So I need to say ki te taha Māori. That's right, ki te taha Māori. So she's going to turn to the left. Ka pai. Now what do I need to say? That's right, I need to say haere. Okay, I want her to go. All right, haere. Oh, make sure she avoids that little tentacle there. Haere, haere, haere. Now I want her to go more carefully now because we don't want her to go into the quicksand. So what can I say? Ata haere. That's right. Ata haere. Go carefully. Ata haere. Ata haere. And kati. Stop. Excellent. Now, which direction do I want her to turn? Do I want her to turn to the right, ki te taha mātou, or to the left, ki te taha Māori? You tell me. That's right, ki te taha Māori. So, ki te taha Māori. Just going to turn to the left. Now, I don't want her to get eaten by sharks. So after I say go, after I say haere, what do I need to tell her? Exactly, I need to tell her to ata haere, to go carefully. How about when I'm ready for her to stop? What should I say? That's right, kati. All right, let's tell her to go. How do we say go? Haere. Oh, I want her to go carefully. What should I say? Ata haere, and kati. Excellent. Now this is tricky because she's very close to the quicksand. What direction do I want her to go? Well, let's take it from her perspective. Do I want her to go to the right, ki te taha mātou, or to the left, ki te taha Māori? That's right, I want her to go ki te taha mātou, to the right. So let's go back to the right direction. Let's say it to her, to the right. Let's go. Ki te taha mātou. So she's going to turn to the right. Now what do I want to say? Do I want her just to go to haere? That's right, I want her to go carefully because she's about to get into the quicksand. So what can I say? That's right, ata haere. Let's say it to her. Ata haere. She's going to go very carefully. Get ready to say stop. Kati. So close to the quicksand. Kati. All right, so do I want her to turn to the right, ki te taha mātou, or turn to the left, ki te taha Māui? I want her to turn ki te taha Māui. That's right, so let's say it to her. Ki te taha Māui. She turns to her left. Now, what's the next instruction? Haere. Haere tonu. Keep going. Haere tonu. And kati. Now what direction? Ki te taha mātou to her right, or ki te taha Māui to her left? That's right, ki te taha mātou. She turns to her right. And what shall we say? We don't want her to get eaten by the crab. Ata haere. Go carefully. Haere tonu. Keep going. Haere tonu. Oh, and kati. Now, which direction are we turning? That's right, ki te taha mātou, to the right. And now what shall we do? Haere, exactly. Haere. Haere tonu, keep going. Haere tonu. Ata haere, go carefully. And kati. Now, do we want her to turn ki te taha mātou to her right, or ki te taha Māui to her left? Ki te taha Māui. We're so close to the treasure now. Okay, do we want her to go really far or just a little bit? Just a little bit, don't we? So let's say ata haere. Oh, going carefully. Haere tonu, keep going. And kati. We're almost there, team. So, do we want her to turn ki te taha mātou to the right or ki te taha Māui? That's right, to the right. So we say ki te taha mātou. We're about to get the treasure. So let's say, we don't want to go to the pirate ship. So let's say what? Ata haere, go carefully. Ata haere. We want her to keep going, so what could we say? That's right, haere tonu, haere tonu, haere tonu, kati. And she's found the treasure. Ka pai. Well done. Ka rawe, ka pai tō mahi. Great work. So what I'd like you to do is at home make your own treasure map, and with a sibling or a friend or a parent or an adult, or even just with yourself, try and give them directions to get through your treasure map to find the treasure at the X marks the spot. Okay, so make sure you have a little toy or something that can turn to the right and to the left. So maybe something like a counter might be a little bit tricky. Make sure it's something that can turn to the right and turn to the left, and give them directions to get through your treasure map. I'd love to see any pictures or videos of your treasure map where you're giving directions in Te Reo Māori. Okay, it's time for our karakia whakamutunga. It's time for our closing karakia. Mahunga ki raro, heads down.
Kia inoi tātou. Ka pā ki tua, ka pā ki waho, ka pā ki te whare, ka pā ki te rua, ka pā ki te pou e tū nei, kia mā te ariki, kia mā te tauira, nō hau e rua tau, e tāne te wairua e, whānō whānā, hara mai te toki, haumi e, hui e, tāiki e.
Ka pai. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you for the next daily demos. Mā te wā, see you soon.